Good morning students. Lesson 5 Graphics in Publisher 2013. Our today's topics are wrapping text around a picture, moving, aligning and resizing pictures. Students, first of all we will see the point moving, aligning and resizing picture. The steps to move and align a picture or an object in Publisher are as follows. Children, you can see here I have already typed the paragraph, which paragraph you can see in your textbook page number 83. The paragraph is about Save the Birds. So, I have typed the paragraph and already taken a picture using Insert Online Picture option, which you have learnt in before video. So, now first is how to move a picture. Select the picture, the pointer changes to a four-headed arrow. See here, this pointer changes in four-headed arrow within this picture. Then drag the picture to the new location or to the scratch area or in the Publisher page. As you move the picture, Publisher displays visual layout guide to help you to place and align the object with respect to the other objects on the page. Now release the mouse button to finish the moving the object. So, with this four-headed arrow you can drag and move the picture within this Publisher page like this. After you have moved the picture, the new location, you can align it using the visual layout guides. Means you can align this picture within the Publisher page. Now, to resize the picture, follow the steps given below. Click the middle sizing handle on any of the four sides to resize the picture horizontally or vertically. So, from this middle sizing handle, you can change the picture size. See here. And from the corner sizing handle, you can resize the picture proportionally on both horizontal and vertical directions. This is for corner sizing handle. Like this, you can resize the picture. To rotate the picture, click and drag the rotation handle. This is the rotation handle. So, to rotate the picture, click and drag this rotation handle like this. After resizing, moving and aligning, now we will learn about how to wrap the text around a picture. Wrapping text around a picture allows you to make a picture appear at the desired position on the page of text in Publisher. The picture could be to the left or right of a paragraph or between the paragraph. To wrap text, do as given below. Select the picture. This will open. If you select this picture, you can see here Picture Tool Format tab. Format tab under Picture Tools. In the Arrange group, in this Arrange group, click the Wrap Text option here. Select the desired wrap option. The text will adjust based on the option you have selected. So, we will see this one by one. If I click on None option, you can see the changes. This picture is in the upward direction within the text. See here. Now, if I select square, the text is automatically adjusted. So, you can see here, if I select top and bottom, the text is automatically adjusted in top and bottom. So, these are the many options here. So, select the desired wrap option, the text will adjust based on the option you have selected. So, always select the square option. So you can see the picture within the text. The object can be moved around until the text wrap the way you want to it. You can also select more layout option to specify more detail. Here you can see more layout options. So you can select any of the option. In your textbook, here it is selected top and bottom option. So like this you can select any of the option from this. So in this video we have learned about how to move, align and resizing picture and how to wrap text around a picture. So children, practice this.